Today we've got the GBC pipe beveler. It's the boiler model, 110 volt. How it works is you have internal clamping jaws. So you have a box that comes in a set of 3 and they slide into these grooves. Now how it works is they have a guide on, for example, on the box it'll state what they can clamp up to internally. So we are clamping internally 8 to 2mm, so we've selected the correct size that allows for the 5mm of in and out. So these travel in and out, which I'll show you in a second. So we can clamp it in. So you slot them in, as so. The narrow side goes in first. Always do this when the machine is turned off as well. Then what you do is lock it off with a cap on the end. Then we're going to set it on the inside of the pipe. We have 30 and 37.5 degree bevels, so you can get your 60 and 75 overall when you put 2 pieces of pipe together. So as this goes in, as you can see, to get these jaws in, you have to set the internal clamping jaws all the way out. So we're just going to back it off. And what's happening, these jaws are going in and out. You set the jaws relatively far in, so when the bevel is making its way down the length of the pipe, you don't cut into your internal clamping jaws. You set this far back, so you've got plenty of travel to go down. We'll just set it there, make sure it's level. Set it there. Nip it up. This here then sends the cutting jaws down the length. Start it about there. To fit the cutters, you slide them into the chuck. You have 2 Allen keys that clamp it in position, and then you're away. This particular model can clamp an internal ID of 90mm, and it can bevel an external OD of 90mm. And I'm going to show you how it works. We're doing 4mm wall. You can do whatever thickness wall that's within the width of the cutter. So if you wanted to do 15mm wall, for example, not a problem. You can also get 90-degree flat cutters, so you can face it perfectly. If you cut some pipe and you want to get it perfectly flat before you do a bevel, we have the 90-degree cutters as well. So we're just making our way down, step it back off. And that right there is how you would do a beveled edge with a GBC boiler pipe beveler. Have a little look. You don't typically need any cutting fluid like Chemcut just to prevent any contamination. Extremely quick and easy to use. In stock, available to rent. Thank you very much.